Hello everyone, this is Rachel from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome back. If you are new here, you're welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join the family. As you can see guys, we are approaching summer and the weather is getting hotter. So I'll be showing you how to make a simple refreshing lemonade all by yourself. Let's jump right into it. You'll be needing 2 lemons, water, and 7-Up, which can be substituted with Sprite or sugar. First, squeeze your lemons to extract the juice. This can be done manually or using a juicer. Some benefits of drinking your own homemade lemonade include staying hydrated and getting your full dose of vitamin C daily if you make this all the time. After that, sieve the juice to remove the seeds. Get a jug with ice cubes in it. Pour the lemon juice into the jug. Measure out 2 cups of 7-Up. Add it to the mixture. You will notice I used ice cubes. Don't worry if you don't have it. You could just use normal cold water and put it into the fridge afterwards. Finally, measure out 2 cups of water. Add it as well. Mix with a spoon. Easy peasy. Serve in a cup and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.